Hello everyone, this is Falguni Zaveri from Karma Healing, again bringing you the reading for the week starting from the 27th of December 2021 to 2nd of January 2022. Yes, definitely the new year is starting in this week, and let's start our reading with a lot of good luck, good wishes, and a very positive year for all of us. So let's go ahead and start our reading. But before we do that, please go ahead, like, subscribe, and share my YouTube channel. And I will be really grateful. It's a great encouragement for me to do these readings for you guys when I see more likes and more shares. So please go ahead and do that. I am on Instagram as well as on Facebook. So please go ahead and like my channel there too. So let's go ahead and start our reading. Again, this reading is for the week of 27th of December 2021 to the new year, January 2nd, 2022. So the new year begins. So let's go ahead and start with our first sign, and that is the sign Aries. So we'll go ahead and pick up 3 cards for people born under the sign Aries. So let's go ahead and see what the week is holding for people born under the sign Aries. Also, I have a reading, a 2022 reading that I have posted on my YouTube. There's a video on YouTube for the 2022 in general reading for career, relationship, health, and of course finance. So please go ahead and see that video too. It's an overall reading for 2022 that I have done. So let's go ahead and start with Aries. Let's see what the sign Aries has hold. Okay, so where I see your finance, definitely there is an increase of finance in the year of 2022, and I do see a good progress coming where your finance is concerned. Relationship, yes, relationship is good for you people, but somewhere I see that whatever is shown to you is not the reality. Somewhere whatever the affection, whatever the feelings is there is something that is kind of a you can say an act that has been done to you, or a act that has been shown to you. It is not the true feelings where the relationship is concerned. So just be very, very careful about that. Where your health is concerned, I don't see any problems coming to your health, but you have to be very, very careful from negative people who are not your well wishers. Definitely growth is there in the career too. I see a growth, but there are jealous people. There are people who don't like your progress somewhere. So just be very, very careful with those kind of people. Otherwise, your week looks fine. Now, 3 cards for people born under the sign Taurus. Let's see what this week is there for the people born under the sign Taurus. For the people born under the sign Taurus, definitely a week of relationship. There is a relationship coming to you, or maybe whatever relationship you are into, it is going to be a good week for you where your relationship are concerned. You might find new person coming here in your life. If you are already into a relationship, you might see a growth into your relationship. Definitely also I see a growth in career this week. So you will see a forward movement, a raise, a promotion, or something, maybe a next step ahead where your career is concerned. Finance is there. We do see finance this week, but somewhere it is somewhere stagnant. You can say it is somewhere there. The finance is there, but you will not see it growing this week. Also, definitely, like I told you, there is growth in the career, so there is a forward movement shown to you this week. Health looks fine. I don't see any problems where your health are concerned. Now, 3 cards for people born under the sign Gemini. For the people born under Gemini, this week is very good for the people because there are major arcanas that has showed up. So where your relationship are concerned, you are blessed this week. You will see new progress in your relationship, new love coming to you, new people coming into your life. If you are waiting for someone, there is that person who is going to show up in your life this week. So it is definitely a great week where your relationship is concerned. Growth is definitely there, where some growth is seen mostly in the field of art, in the field of some kind of creativity. So that growth I can see coming to you this week. Definitely a week of confidence, a week of brightness, a week of moving ahead with good confidence. So there is definitely a growth seen in your career too. There might be a little issue where this week is concerned, where your boss is concerned, or people in the top position is concerned, or in the family, if you see the people who are running the family. So there is this thing of ego, thing of a little bit of you can say controlling coming to you this week from that person. But otherwise, this there is no problem coming to you this week where your health is also concerned. Everything looks fine for people born under the sign Gemini this week. Now 3 cards for the people born under the sign Cancer. If I see people born under sign Cancer, this week is going to be a little up and down where your relationship are concerned, because I see that there is a lot of balancing that is going to be needed this week where your relationship are concerned. So emotions, work, day-to-day life, everything has to be balanced this week for you. So you will have to have that kind of patience kind of a thing with you where relationship is concerned. Tackle it with a lot of care. Also where the growth is concerned, where your work is concerned, yes, definitely there is a growth. There is something that you will achieve this week where your career is concerned. So that is a good thing. Where your health is concerned, little bit of worry coming to you this week, where stress level or anxiety or that kind of issue might come to you, or might be on an increase for you this week. Emotions, definitely emotions has to be worked this week. Emotions is the one thing that is going to affect you this week, affect you in the sense negative effect coming from emotions basically. So just take care of your emotions this week. Otherwise everything looks fine. Finance, if I'm seeing your finance, there is no problem where your finance is concerned. I don't see a loss coming to you, but I don't see even a growth coming to you this week where the finance is concerned. Now we're going to go ahead and do Leo. Let's see 3 cards for Leo. Oh, 3 cards for people born under the sign Leo. See, whether Leo people concerned this week, there are a lot of opportunities that is going to come where your career is concerned, where your work is concerned with you. It depends on you, how serious you are going to be, with that work, taking that work or taking it seriously for whatever offer is coming to you, where work is concerned, business is concerned, career is concerned. Also, there is a lot of conflicts that you have to face or you will be facing where your current job is concerned, where your current career is concerned. There are people who are not in your favor this week, and somewhere, you have to fight or you have to go through that kind of situation coming to you this week. Finance is stable this week. There is something that is there kind of a thing. The finance is there, but you are waiting it to grow. You are waiting for it to see an increase in finance. Like suppose if you have kept in your investment, or you're waiting for the interest, or if you have invested in your share markets, so you're waiting for the shares to go up, and so that's how the finance is going to be for you this week. But definitely it is not a loss coming to you this week where your finance is concerned. So it is a stable thing where the finance is concerned. Your health is concerned, I don't see any issues coming in health this week. You shall be fine. And relationship also looks normal, nothing to worry about. Now we'll go ahead and do Virgo. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Virgo. So if I see people born under the sign Virgo, if I see your career is on a go for you guys, because I see a very forward moment coming. I mean, this is the week where you are going to be very confident. You are going to be very, very strong, and you are going to be very brave in going and trying new stuff, going and trying to find a new work for you, new career for you, and that confidence will be with you this week. Where your relationship are concerned, this week is somewhere where you have done with your relationship, you have made friends, you have enough people around you whom you are satisfied with, and you don't want any relationship coming to you this week. This is the week that you want to just let go of. Where relationship is concerned, you are satisfied with whatever you have. That's what you're going to feel this week where your relationship are concerned. You have to be very, very careful about the people, not about the people, but the things around you, because there are chances of people taking away things from you, something getting robbed, or maybe even your ideas at work or something. There you will find things happening, like someone is stealing your ideas, or even little things, your things being stolen or something like that. So just be very, very careful about those things. Where you're, like I told you, career is concerned, you're very confident, so I see the growth also coming to you, but a little negativity is also there coming to you this week. So just be very careful, stay protected this week, and everything shall pass. So now we'll go ahead and do Libra. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Libra. Where I see people born under the sign Libra, this week is going to be a week where you are going to have mood swings, where your emotions are concerned. Some things where, I can see relationship, it's the emotions that will, be there in your relationship. So you will have to balance. It is something that mood swings and all those kind of things are going to be there this week. Also, I see someone, maybe you can say traveling, or maybe somewhere where you're traveling to meet your family or something like that, just for some work or something like that. But definitely a traveling is shown in this week. But also I'm seeing a lot of negativity coming to you this week. You have to be very, very careful about the people around you, about the people who are not your well-wishers. Stay protected this week wherever you're going. Also, I see this week coming a major change coming in your life, some change that is not expected. There is a sudden moment or sudden things happening in your life that is not expected. So just be very, very careful. So career is concerned, I see career moment is there, but nothing too great a moment coming to you this week. This week is something where you have to be very, very careful about the people, where your relationship are concerned, your moods, and even traveling is concerned. So sudden change might come to you in this week. You have to be very, very careful about that. A sudden change that you might not like. So just stay protected, and that's it for Librans. Now we are going to go ahead and do Scorpio. 3 cards for people born under the sign Scorpio. For the people born under the sign of Scorpio, this week is going to be really, really good for you. I see a moment of joy, a moment of happiness coming to you. Even where your work is concerned, I do see a forward movement. So whatever things you take in your hand this week, there is a positive outcome coming to you. But where your health is concerned, be very, very careful. Where your legs are concerned, you might hurt your legs, or you might have some kind of issue where your health is concerned. Travel is seen, where you will be meeting people related to you, or someone who is related to you. So maybe going to meet your family or something like that is coming to you this week. So Scorpion people will definitely see a travel coming to you this week. Also, you have been waiting for something coming to you, or maybe an application or something, a tender, or maybe a contract, whatever you are waiting for. I still see a wait. It is not this week that you are going to see the result coming to you. So you will have to wait. But whatever you do this week, where your relation is concerned, where your career is concerned, or where your finance is concerned, it is going to give you a positive outcome. So let's go ahead and do 3 cards for Sagittarius. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Sagittarius. People born under the sign Sagittarius, this week is going to be a little, where your emotions are concerned, a little bit of a confusing week for you. This is a week where you are going to be thinking, like, should I do this or should I do that? So there is something that needs balance this week for you guys, because you will be in that confusion, you can say a confused mode kind of a thing. There is also this week where you are going to meet a person, an elderly person, who is going to be very helpful where your career is concerned. You can say he is going to guide you to the right thing this week. So you are going to meet that person where your career, your work is concerned. So that is a good support coming from him this week. Where your health is concerned, definitely I see little bit of stress, little bit of something related to your head, something related to stress, something related to pressure, or something related to your crown chakra coming to you. So just be very, very careful about those things. Where your emotions and relationship are concerned, this is a week where it's a little sad moment coming to you. Maybe you might come out of a relationship, or this is not a good week for relationship for you. There will be a lot of mood swings. There might be some issues in your relationship. There might be a breakup. So just be very, very careful about relationship this week. So that's it for Sagittarius. Now we are going to do 3 cards for people born under the sign Capricorn. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Capricorn. If I see people born under the sign Capricorn, I see a wonderful week for Capricorns. There is a magic in the air coming to you this week. Definitely your year is going to start very good, because I see a lot of good things happening where your career is concerned, where your growth is concerned, where your relationship is concerned, where your finance is concerned. So this week I can say there is no problem coming into your life. Yes, little setbacks are there in everyone's life, but that is not a major thing to worry about. But definitely this week, whatever you do, whatever you take in hand, whatever you invest in, or whatever new relationship you build, it is going to work like magic for you. So just go ahead with it. The week looks fine. Also, there is a card which suggests that there is if you are trying to become pregnant, or if you are pregnant and planning, and it's a time, and this is the right time to have a baby. I see a positive card for conceiving, or maybe a pregnancy, or some baby coming into your life this week. Also, there is only one guidance that I need to give you, that my cards are giving you, is you have to be very, very careful about signing a document, or signing a contract, or signing any kind of paperwork without seeing and reading it properly. So first go ahead and read, look at the contracts, look at the fine lines before you make a decision or sign the papers. Just be very, very careful. Otherwise, this week is wonderful for you people. I see growth everywhere and everything this week. So that's it for Capricorn. Now we'll go ahead and do 3 cards for Aquarius. Where the Aquarius people are concerned, definitely a growth is seen. I see a growth in their career, in their whatever related to work, related to studies. So there is a forward moment coming to you this week, but there is also going to be some mood swings coming to you this week. There will be some sadness, some kind of unhappiness kind of thing coming to you this week. You might not be that happy as you stay this week. Some issues might cause you some kind of depression or sadness coming to you this week. Definitely a growth in finances seen. You are going to see finance coming to you, money coming to you, maybe a hereditary property or something like that coming to you this week. So definitely a finance growth is seen. Career growth or study, if you are a student or something, definitely a growth is seen. Of course, there is going to be a vacation for all the students this way, but definitely you will see a growth where your studies is also concerned, or where your career is also concerned. Also, you have to be very, very careful about something related to law. So just be very, very careful where law is concerned. Do not sign or do not do anything where you will have to go to the court, or something related to the law, like I told you. So that's it for the Aquarius people. Now we'll go ahead and do the last sign, and that is Pisces. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Pisces. So if I see Pisces people, I'll start with relationship first. Relationship has issues this week coming to you. You have to be very, very careful about a heartbreak or someone hurting you where your relationship are concerned. So this week is not for the new relationship or building up a new relationship this week, and you have to be very, very careful where your relationships are concerned. Also, there are issues, there might be arguments, there might be some kind of issues coming to you where your career is concerned. There might be internal problems, there might be some kind of fight or arguments happening where you have to be very, very careful where your career is concerned. Finance is concerned, of course, there is finance this week, but there will be something like you are trying to work with your finance, how much to invest, how much to spend. So all that thinking is going to be there with you this week where your finance is concerned. So finance is there, but this is the week where you will be thinking about how to invest or how to save it. Also relationship wise, if I see, yes, there is a heartbreak, there is, but then where your family is concerned, or where you can say your partner is concerned or your kids are concerned, there is a happy moment coming to you where there is family. So if you are planning to build up a new relationship or expecting something from a person, then this is not the week that you can say a positive week for that. But yes, definitely if you are a family, then there is a happy moment coming in your family, or there is something that has a moment coming to you where you will be celebrating. So overall, health wise also, I don't see any problems coming to you this week. So that's it for Pisces, and we are done for the reading for this week. I hope everyone had a very good Christmas, and hope everyone's new year has started with great positivity. I wish you all the best and a very, very happy new year to you all. I hope all your wishes come true. Stay blessed, stay positive, and love you all.